Hello guys, this video is about Chinese soldering station 936 series. Nothing more here. SD safe, so it means it's got the PE protection which is connected. Anyway, so why I'm capturing this? Because YouTube is the best way how to store things which you need. Very easy to find. So basically I've seen many these connectors which look the same, but the connection here is actually not the same. So see, this yellow one is PE, and this black and red, I guess it's some sensor, Peltier or whatever, probably red is plus, and this blue, it must go to heating element. So if my, I don't know how to call that thing, that gun which looks like this with tip and cable, if it breaks, will come to see this video how to connect the new one, because I bought some spare and the connection was different, so they don't work when you plug them there. You don't want to damage something. So this is, you see these two wires, there is a, I guess, thyristor, and just switching on, maybe triac, is switching on straight away power from the transformer. So I'm not sure, triac or thyristor, doesn't matter. So this is the important part, that connector. That's why I'm capturing this video. Maybe it can help somebody, but it will definitely help me in the future. Thanks for watching.